Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about the immune system. This video is basically a brief introduction to the immune system. I hope you guys enjoy. It is safe to say that the immune system has saved your life over 100 times. And I also think that it's safe to say that some people watching this video have no clue on what it does. So in this video, I'll be teaching it all to you. Now let's get started. It's safe to say that there's over 10 immune cells in the immune system, but today we're only going to be talking about 10. Right now on the screen, you should see 22 immune cells and their names. Right now on the screen, you should see all the jobs that the immune system has to do. Now, since you know all of that, we can get started. The first thing you need to know is that not one immune cell can do only one job. No, one immune cell can do multiple jobs, but immune cells specialize in jobs. Like one immune cell is specialized in killing, but it can also communicate to other immune cells and produce antibodies. First off, we will be talking about the macrophages. Macrophages are cells that find and kill bacteria and other harmful substances that enter the body. In addition, they also present antigens to T cells and initiate inflammation by releasing molecules known as cytokines that activate other cells. Now, let's talk about neutrophils. Neutrophils are a type of white blood cells that help heal damaged tissues and resolve infections. Neutrophils' blood levels increase naturally in response to infections, injuries, and other types of stress. Next is the natural killer cells, also known as NK cells. They are a type of cytotoxic lymphocyte, critical to the innate immune system that belongs to the rapidly expanding family of innate lymphoid cells, and representing 5 to 20% of all circulating lymphocytes in humans. NK cells control severe types of tumors and microbial infections by eliminating their spread and subsequently tissue damage. Now we'll be talking about the monocytes. Monocytes are a type of white blood cell that fight certain infections and help other white blood cells remove dead or damaged tissues, destroy cancer cells, and regulate the immunity against foreign substances. Now let's talk about the dendritic cell. The dendritic cells are antigen-presenting cells. Their main function is to process antigen material and present it to the cell surface, to the T cells of the immune system. They act as a messenger between the innate and adaptive immune system. Now, moving on to basophils. Basophils are a type of white blood cells. Although they are produced in the bone marrow, they are also found in many tissues throughout the body. Basophils do not ingest foreign cells. When basophils encounters allergens, which is antigens that cause allergic reactions, they release histamine. Histamine increases blood flow to damaged tissue, resulting in swelling and inflammation. Now, moving on to B cells. B cells are known as B lymphocytes. They are a type of white blood cells of the lymphocyte subtype. They function in humoral immunity component of the adaptive immune system. B cells produce antibody molecules. Now, since I just talked about the antibodies, I think it's fitting to talk about the antibodies right now and what they do. So, antibodies bind to bacteria and viruses, although they're more effective against viruses, and help your guard cells and immune system kill them easier. There are many types of antibodies. Each type of antibodies have a specific target, like a specific bacteria or virus they target. Now, moving on to the eosinophils. Eosinophils are a type of disease-fighting white blood cells. This condition almost often indicates a parasitic infection, an allergic reaction, or cancer. You can have high levels of eosinophils in your blood or tissue at the site of an infection or inflammation. Lastly, we have the helper T cell. The helper T cell activates B cells and cytotoxic T lymphocytes to kill infected host cells. Helper T cells also directly kill infected host cells. Host cells are your normal body cells that get infected by a virus. Wow, you've made it this far into the video. Well, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. I hope this was helpful to you in any way, and this is the part of the video where I would say goodbye, but before I say that, please like and subscribe. Bye!